the summer of love.
Hello everyone, it's Mark here and welcome to another video. Today guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to download OBS for free. I'm sorry for not uploading that much lately. It's because of school and other stuff and I don't have any ideas what to record what you guys like. So I'm very sorry. But anyway, can we get 8 likes on this video? That would be greatly appreciated. But now, let's get into the video. So the first thing you gotta do is go in Google and type in OBS. Click on the first one. Next, what you're really gonna do, you're gonna choose either Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. So I'm gonna choose Windows because I'm on Windows. You can choose Mac or Linux, but I'm gonna choose Windows. Then there's gonna be a downloading thing over here, which is gonna take some time, so let it download and I'll see you then when it has downloaded. Okay, so once it has downloaded, just click, and now click yes when it says the user account control. Click yes. Welcome to OBS Studios 21.0.1. Click on next, click on I agree, and then browse where you want it to locate, then just install. Once it has finished, launch OBS. Press OK. So as you can see guys, there is a scene. So now you can go on sources. I like to have one display capture and one game capture. So I'm just gonna click on display capture. So this is how it looks like. So now we're gonna go on settings. So next, what you're gonna do is stream. This is just basically stream. Go on output. Output mode is advanced. So skip streaming. Go on recording. Type standard. Standard, yes. So this is the recording path. This is where your videos are gonna go. Go on recording format to MP4. The audio track to 1. Encoder, go on this one. But if you have a good processor, go on times 264. Put quick sync H. So you can rescale output as well, but I'm not gonna do that. Okay, now you're gonna go on bitrate, and if you have a good computer, you might as well go on 40,000 or a really beefy computer, 50,000 and up. So I'm just gonna go on 40,000. Okay. Next, we're gonna go on audio. So on track 1, you're gonna try to set it at the highest one. Click on apply. Next, go on audio. And now you need to see now you need to know what your mic is. So my mic is 48 kilohertz. And then you're gonna go on mic auxiliary audio device. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna click on this one because this is my one. I'm gonna click on apply. Next, go on video. This is your video. Your base is gonna be obviously 1920 by 1080, but you can set it higher because I have a bigger monitor. But I'm gonna set it at 1920 by 1080, and the same one on this. Then you want to go on 60 frames per second because you want 1080p 60 frames per second. Click on apply. Now on hotkeys, start streaming and stop streaming. I don't use OBS on when I stream, but on recording I'm gonna set it as F1 and to stop recording F2 because I don't use those in games or anywhere else. So I'm gonna click on apply. Next, you go on advanced. Process priority. I think I go above normal because that is good. Go on UV color space 709. This one is a full color range, full. For the audio, you need to know what your speakers are. So I got Realtek digital output. So next, click on apply. Click on OK, and then you're basically done. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want some more of these tutorial videos. Bye!
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.